We're going to learn about the cell cycle. Um, I'm going to read from trueman biology book of class 11 and 12, and then the cell cycle and cell division. First of all, we're going to do the mitosis part. Well, to start with, so a somatic cell, um, the life cycle of a somatic cell can be divided into certain parts. That is the interphase and the M phase or the mitotic phase. So interphase is a time when there is no division, and mitotic phase is a time when it is dividing. In the case of somatic cells, when the mitosis happens, that is equal division happens. And so here it is. Let me focus it a bit. Okay. And so here is the cell cycle of a somatic cell, where the interface consists. The first stage in the interface is the G1 phase, and then there is the S phase, synthesis phase, and then there is the G2 phase, and then there is M phase. Well, G1 phase. Well, and one thing, in this whole cycle, there are certain checkpoints to check if it is suitable to go forward towards the next step or towards the M phase. So these checkpoints, there are certain. These are there are two checkpoints. First is the first checkpoint, and there is the second checkpoint. The first checkpoint is between the G1 phase and the S phase, and the second checkpoint is between the G2 phase and the M phase. And this first checkpoint is also known as G1 cycling phase. And during this first checkpoint, the cyclin dependent kinase or CDK becomes activated by G1 cyclin and the ATP, and that results in the transition. How, I don't know. And then there's the second checkpoint that I have already said, that lies between this G2 and the mitotic phase, and that was it. Then let me think. And then let's go towards the, I hope you can see it. Let's move towards the interface. Let's focus on interface. So interface is the non-dividing phase, or it is also called as inter. Wait a second. Yes, and it is also known as, oh man, and it is also known as intermitosis, or the resting phase, because there is no what is it, like, there is no cell division, but it is metabolically an active phase when the different metabolisms are taking place, and during this time the cell is getting prepared for the mitosis or division. The cell grows in size, and sometimes interphase is also known as energy phase, and it takes most part of the total generation time, and those cells which do not divide, like the nerve cells and others, they lie in their, they're said to lie in their interface throughout their life, throughout the lifespan, or throughout the lifespan of the person in whom these cells are present. And so let's dive into the parts of the interface. First of all, there are three parts of the interface in a normal cell, which is about to undergo division. So these are the G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. Well, this is the first growth phase, so G1. The second is the synthesis phase, and third is the second growth phase. Well, I'll be teaching more in the next video. I want to keep this video short and up to go. That's all.